Hello there subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. Here you can see it 0x80070643. So for fixing it we just need to go to our search tab. So just open search tab and just write in your search tab troubleshoot. So this error you can have with you can see when you try to update your Windows, it's error with Windows Update. So just go to troubleshoot and choose here Windows Update in troubleshoot and choose run the troubleshooter. So now you just need to wait after it will detect all the problems. So just it will automatically fix corrupting files, search some missing files and errors, and just fix it automatically. So after you see here a list of your errors, here you can see you will see it, and just after you see that, you need to restart your computer and everything will work. So this is the way how you can fix this error. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.